Hi there, welcome to Harry's World of Words and Phrases and English in a Minute. Today we're looking at the English words much and many. And when we talk about much and many, we have to understand the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. So what do they mean? So let's look at those first of all. Countable means something that has a natural plural. For example, apple, apples, orange, oranges, car, cars. And uncountable is where they don't have a natural plural. So there's one word is for the single and the plural. For example, tea, we don't say teas. Coffee, we don't say coffees. Petrol, we don't say petrols. Rice, we don't say rices, and so on. Okay, so it's always rice in the single, rice in the plural, petrol in the single, petrol in the plural. So when we're using much and many, we use one with countable and the other with uncountable. So when we're talking about much, we use it with uncountable. How much rice do you have? How much petrol do you want? And when we're using many, we use it with countable. How many apples have you got? How many cars have you got? How many oranges do you want? And another rule, and just be very careful with this, when we use much and many, we normally use those words when we're asking questions like how much or how many, and we also use them in the negative. I don't have much, I don't have many, but we don't use them in the positive. Usually when we're talking about positives, we use the word a lot. I have a lot of apples. I have a lot of petrol. I have a lot of rice. So when we use a lot, we can use it with both countable and uncountable. So if you ever get stuck and you don't know whether to use much or many, always fall back to the default position of using a lot. Okay, so as always, subscribe to our channel and join us on www.englishlessonviaskype.com, and we'll catch up with you soon.